Hello, Dudu. I know you must be thinking, like, when did I get the time to come out like that and shoot separately just to wish you a very, very happy birthday? And I could only do this because you're working from home and you have no idea. And I've just got out an excuse that I'm going to the market, but I'm here. And I really love you a lot and wish you many, many more such birthdays. May all your wishes come true. This is not just for my lovely husband, but it's also for my best and the best brother-in-law in the world, that's Cyril. So it's a twin birthday, but keeping in mind the social distancing, it's India, Ireland, and we are going to celebrate the twin birthday together, and we are going to rock it, guys.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy uncle and Cyril uncle.
Cyril uncle.
God bless you.
God bless you. Happy birthday, Cyril uncle. Cyril uncle.
Happy birthday CB and Cyril. May God bless you all.
Hi, birthday boys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Bisibin and Cyril, twins. I'm very happy for you both, especially Sibin. You're a very wonderful person, very energetic, very friendly. I've seen you much when I was in Pune with Molby. You both of them are a perfect partner, and I really admire you as a couple. May all your wishes come true, and a wonderful birthday bash today, and may God bless you both and have a successful life, happy married life once again, and let all your wishes come true. I really miss you all and hoping to see you all once again. Bye.
Happiest quarantine birthday, Philo. God bless you all both, and I pray that you get a lot of success and happiness throughout your life. And Sibin, I pray that you get more subscriber to your channel. Guys, please click the bell icon to Sibin George. That's Sibin George, yeah. And Cyril bhai, तू शादी कर. हे मजाक कर रहा है, शादी मत कर. Time है. Do many more house parties, guys. Cheers to our friendship, and once again, many happy returns of the day. God bless.
Hello, Celine from Recycle Bin. Wishing you a very very happy healthy birthday. कैसा है तू, कैसा चल रहा है? तूने मेरे को बहुत परेशान किया है नाइट शिफ्ट में. आई रिमेंबर एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ great memories with you, and I am glad that we met. We share such good bonding. Again, have a blast on your birthday. I know you're a very very good man, and let our friendship stay forever. Lots of love to you from that weekend मस्ती वाला gang जो आजकल हम लोग बहुत ही कम active. I don't know why. कोई बात नहीं, चलो happy birthday, bye bye.
Hi Sibin, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. May God grant all your wishes. Happy birthday.
Hi Sibin, happy birthday. Many returns of the day. God bless you.
Hello Sibin Bhaiya, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you and enjoy your day.
Hello Sibin, कैसा है भाई? Many happy returns of the day. Hope you enjoy your birthday. दारू ज़्यादा मत पीना और काम अच्छे से करना, ज़्यादा बकचोदी मत करना, ठीक है? और तेरा ब्रो कोड थोड़ा मिस कर रहा हूँ मैं. आजा जल्दी तू. चल बाय.
Hey Sibin, happy birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Sibin, wish you many more happiness of the day, man. Hope you're enjoying, man. All the best for everything.
Hey guys, what's up? Hi Shibin, क्या कर रहा है? तू तो गायब ही हो गया यहाँ से. वीडियो बनाना तो यार तेरा ही काम है. ये सब काम 2 बंद हो नहीं सकता. जस्ट फिर भी एक वीडियो, एक स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट पे बन रही है. सो many happy returns of the day man. Just enjoy your day. Have a blasting day ahead. खूब तरक्की करे, तेरे सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ते रहें और यूट्यूब चैनल तोड़ते रहे. और मेरे विशेष तो पहुंच ही गए अब तेरे पास. सो आई होप कि तेरी पार्टी भी मेरे पास जल्दी पहुंच ही जाएगी. ओके, सो एंजॉय योर डे मैन. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. बाय.
Hey, hi Sibin. Wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you. May you have lot of peace, success, happiness in your life. And I hope you're enjoying your birthday to the fullest. Okay. And you know what? I'm so happy. I mean, you guys are doing fantastic job in the world of YouTube, yaar. I'm really inspired by you both. Okay. And I wish you'll get million subscribers till your next birthday. Happy birthday once again, Sipin. And thank you for being my best friend always. See you soon. Take care. Stay strong. Keep rocking. Keep enjoying.
Happy birthday, Sibin. Have a great day today and a very prosperous and happy year this year with you and your wife and in this new place too. Take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sibin.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Dudu. Happy birthday once again, and may you have many more happy returns. And what else? Stay blessed. May all your dreams and whatever you aspire for comes true. God bless you. Party hard, Dudu.
God bless you, brother. Take care. Enjoy your life.
Happy birthday, Sibin Cyril.
Hi Sibin, wish you many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your first birthday in Ireland. May God bless you with all the happiness that you deserve.
സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ എൻ്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട അളിയന് 1000 ജന്മദിന ആശംസകൾ. ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ടു യു.
Happy birthday, Sibin Cyril. Chaddi buddies. God bless you guys.
Hey Sibin.
Hey Cyril. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I hope you have a great day.
And a great year.
And Cyril, I hope you get married sometime soon.
In the next 5 years at least.
Time's ticking, bro.
Hello Sibin, wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday Sibin. May God bless you. Happy birthday bolo.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so.
Hey, hi Sibin Cyril. Many happy returns of the day, bro. May God bless you. May your wishes come true abundantly. And bro, wherever you are guys, be safe. खुश रहो बच्चे लोग. क्या बोलूँ यार? Nothing much to say, but I'm still confused what to say. But I hope you guys are safe wherever you are. And this time would not be able to celebrate your birthday, guys. So hope that next year would be able to celebrate birthdays, and hope that we might do much more fun activities and do more shararte masti in future and in church as well. Hope you guys are hope I really miss you guys. What to say, buddy? Hope thank you for being with me. You guys are very good friend. I appreciate that. And so once again I would say happy birthday to both of you. And I really glad I appreciate Sibin for you that for your YouTube channel. I wish that you get millions of subscribers and make more videos in future. And Cyril, nothing much to say, buddy, but I really would like to say that stop investing money on your bikes and accessories, bro. May you get a beautiful bride for yourself and keep smiling always like you guys are. And you guys are always in my prayers, so thank you.
Hi Sibin. We wish you many more happy returns of the day, man.
Happy birthday.
We hope you are happy over there.
Stay blessed.
Stay blessed.